angels, my dears. This is Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now for today's video, I want to make a cookie that I call the name of this cookie Dark Chocolate Espresso Pecan Raisin Cookie. Yeah, I know it's a mouthful. I know it is. And I know you're probably thinking, why raisins? Well, I've always loved oatmeal raisin cookies, and I wanted to add the raisins to it. So come on with me into the kitchen while I make these cookies. Come with me. Let's get into the kitchen. Let's go. You may substitute bittersweet chocolate for the dark chocolate if it's just too bitter for you, or just go half and half on the chocolate. When I created this recipe over 10 years ago, I used dark chocolate from a block of dark chocolate. But for this recipe today, I'm using gourmet dark chocolate bars, Lindt chocolate, Ghirardelli. You can do the same or use the block like I did. As you can see, I'm using plastic wrap, but parchment paper is preferred. Parchment paper will allow you to roll a more evenly shaped log. Yeah. Use a serrated knife to cut the log. I know you'll be tempted to use a chef's knife, but a serrated knife will get through the chunks of chocolate, the nuts, and the raisins. It may be cooled on the pan just like this, but I recommend placing the entire pan on a cooling rack to prevent carryover baking. No. Yeah, boy. So tell me, what do you think of this recipe? What do you think of these wonderful cookies? Look at them. Look at them. Yes. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of them. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, make sure you like. You know that's going to be a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below. Share this recipe with anybody you think who would be able to use it. And please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Please be sure to be the blessing to someone today. As always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.